These leaves not only grow your hair, they also prevent your hair from falling and repairing it. From the leaves that we will speak to you for this homemade and natural recipe are the leaves of the curry tree. Although this plant is native to India, you can find it in any country. These leaves have healing properties that make it ideal for the natural treatment of hair. Curry leaves contain natural oils that help you repair damaged roots such as hair follicles. Just put the curry paste on the scalp. You will see how effective it is to prevent hair loss. Also, the curry leaves are high in protein and beta-carotene. They also reduce hair loss and increase hair growth. With just eating a handful of curry leaves a week, you will notice more moisturized and nourished hair. It is impressive. Curry leaves also serve to prepare a hair tonic. I'll explain it to you below. Hair tonic. 1. To prepare this tonic in a bowl, you should only mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and a handful of fresh curry leaves. 2. Crush the leaves and mix them with the oil. This preparation will help you prevent the early appearance of gray hair and will hydrate your hair. 3. Then you should simmer these 2 ingredients until you see that a black residue is forming. 4. Remove from heat and let cool. Store it in a glass container. 5. Apply it on the scalp immediately, making gentle massages. Cover your head with a hat and leave it on for 1 hour. Then remove this mixture with water and natural shampoo. 6. For best results, apply this treatment 2 times a week.